Hi friends, and welcome back to 25 DIYs of Christmas fabric styles, and I'm so excited for today's episode because it's a little bit outside of the box, which I'm all about. This idea kind of sparked while I was at the op shop. I love going to the craft section of the op shop and checking out what they have. It definitely sparks a lot of inspiration. You can find old DIY books there. You just find stuff that you just don't expect and it sparks inspiration. I came across this bag of off-cut material. It was only $1. Bargain, right? For that much material. But the thing is, it's all it's legit just all offcuts, and so they're all different size pieces. Some are super long, some are short, and it sparked inspiration of combining the 2021 party streamer backdrop trend with a Christmas twist. I then went down to Bunnings and picked up some gardening mesh, which is like for using for vines and stuff to climb on, and what I'm gonna do is cut this out like a Christmas tree shape. I think this one could either be a favorite or a flop. We don't really know, but that's the fun of doing crazy DIY ideas, and it's what I definitely live for, so I'm really excited for this episode. What you'll need for this one is off-cut fabric, gardening trellis, some scissors, and hammer and nails to pop your piece on the wall. So what we're going to do first is lay out the trellis and cut out our shape. So what I'm going to do, I don't want it to be too big of a piece. I'm going to find where I want my point. I want to just do triangle, which is probably really nice and easy.
I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you. And though this long December night, only you can pull me through.
I decided halfway tying the fabric that I was going to cut it down to a triangle size. It just wasn't really proportioned right with the Christmas tree cut.
But I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you.
Well, I still am not sure if this was a fail or a favorite. I can't tell. I guess when you think of a crazy out of the box concept yourself, you just don't know if you love it or not. Yeah, it's alright, I guess. I don't know, I'm probably really telling myself. Someone who doesn't have much space and wants to do something a little bit different, a little bit more fun and out there for this Christmas, this could be for you. I guess no one really does traditional Christmas anymore, but it is an out of the box version of a wall Christmas tree. It's kind of fun, funky and fresh. Let me know if you think it's a favorite or a flop, and I will see you on the next 25 DIYs of Christmas, where it will be time to set up my real tree. Bye!